Would you like to be a part of the future of this channel? Stick around for the whole video to find out how. You're gonna get tons of value from this channel, from watching someone who's been through the trenches and is on his way to building a massive company. All right, first off, like I always say, guys, like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications of all the value that's coming your way in the future. So today, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed so far. This has been an awesome journey. I love sharing value with you guys. I love coming up to the plate and swinging and slamming more value out there every time. So for our special Labor Day video, I want to take this opportunity to ask you guys what it is that you want to see. You know, is that reviews of certain equipment that has helped us increase the efficiency of our business, more how to do certain services, how-tos on edging, how-tos on excavation, how-tos on landscaping and installation or designs? Is it other things that you can do to help increase efficiency in your business? Is it more information on automating your business? And if it's not something I listed so I can make sure I'm bringing the value that you truly want to see, let me know. And if it's something I haven't listed already that you really, really want to see to make sure I can be bringing the value that you need, let me know what that is, and I will fill this thing with value in any direction that fits you guys the best. So, while we're in it, I gotta ask you guys, do you want to be a part of this? Do you want to be a part of building this team, building this channel, building this value add? If you do, leave a comment below. Team. So, the other thing that I really, really want to talk about on this special video, you know, I've announced that I'm kind of doing 3 videos a week. That's my thing. It was Labor Day. I had the opportunity. We'd done some things around the house, and I had some time to shoot this for you. While we're on the topic of asking how we can help, what can we do to bring more value? I want to talk about this spring and jacobgodar.com. We made a ton of movement on this. We pushed forward. We were going 1,000,000 miles an hour, and when spring hit, we just started to really slow down. We started to not put in as much. Our podcast didn't end up getting produced, which is something that I truly feel like it's a big letdown to me, and it's a big letdown because it's something I wanted to make sure we did. So as we got into the heat of the season, we just fell back on our efforts. And now more than ever, I want to ask you, what is it that we can do to fine-tune jacobgodar.com, which I want and will make it a toolbox that every lawn and landscape company owner can go to and can use and say, hey, I would really like this, this, or this, and you can get it there. Things to help your business grow, things to help make your business more successful. That's what that tool is going to be, and I want to know what all value add things we can put in there that will help it be that for you. Because really, that's what's most important to me. So guys, let me know what you thought. Give this a thumbs up if you loved it. Give it a thumbs down if you hated it. Subscribe, because there's going to be more of this information. There's going to be more of this value, and hit the notification bell. Also, share this channel with someone that you know that could use this information, that could benefit them, that could benefit their business. And at the end of this, I want to ask, you know, do you like this material? Do you like the value we're bringing? I'm going to put a card up here. Yes or no? If you did, if you loved it, if you hated it, yes or no, let me know. Also, guys, you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. I really thank you for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon.